noon, si Martin Romualdez at si Zaldico, dahil alam ko, based on my personal knowledge, na sila ang may control ng budget. Hindi makakagalaw ang chairman ng Appropriations Committee kung hindi siya inutusan ng Speaker of the House of Representatives. Tapos hindi ko na kailangan sabihin na kasali yung Pangulo dyan. Kasi kitang-kita naman natin, kanino bang pirma? Sasabihin na naman niya, hindi niya pirma yung nandoon sa GAA. Hindi. Ako yan. Hindi si Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang pumirma dyan. Ang ebidensya ng kanyang participation is yung pirma niya sa GAA. Wala nang ibang kailangan na evidence ng participation ng President dyan. Dahil siya yung nag-submit ng NEP. Nakita niya kung anong ginawa ng Congress doon sa NEP. Sa budget niya yun budget yun ng administration kasi siya yung nag-submit noon. Nakita niya kung ano yung ginawa ng Congress doon. Pero pinirmahan pa rin niya. His signature on the General Appropriations Act is the best evidence against him. Accountable siya because he allowed the insertions. So that is a culpable violation of the Constitution. Refusal to take a drug test, that is betrayal of public trust. Allowing the ICC to enter the Republic of the Philippines is culpable violation of the Constitution. That is against our national sovereignty. Ang dami ng impeachable offenses ni Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Of course not. Why will we waste our time in filing a impeachment complaint na alam naman nating hindi papansinin ng House of Representatives, 'di ba?